Hey, it's Chuckster22. I'm here with my captain. What do you call this bone? The Tevaughn?
Tevaughn Adventures, Captain Ted. Tevaughn Adventures, welcome to the Bahamas. My friend right here, bringing them out in all these beautiful waters, checking out the turtles. We'll be doing a little bit of peacock, and also we'll be doing a little sandbar, and like they already did some beautiful snorkeling, and also the little pig event. So guys, once you're in the Bahamas, come down and check out Tevaughn Adventures. You will have a great time, and we keep you safe and make sure we just don't take you on a trip. We do not take you on a trip. We make sure you have a great experience. That's what we do. Alright, with safety.
Safety.
Cool. Now, here it is. This
Hey,
right
hey.
here is
Go
the
Buckeyes.
mate. Buckeyes, Javante. Assistant, big assistant towards me. Great help on the boat. So you will enjoy his company also. Alright, anything you'd like to say?
Yeah, go Buckeyes.
Hey, hey. Oh, I say OH, you say IO. OH. 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 Awesome. All right, guys. With that, that's why we have such an awesome crew here. And I'm going to tell you, if you're watching this, if you plan the Bahamas, you need to come here and sign up with my man here doing the adventure. He's doing a stellar job with us right
Captain
here.
Ted, Tevaughn Adventures. Tevaughn Adventures, Captain Ted, Nassau, Bahamas, okay?
There it is.
Alright, there you go.
All right, guys. So with that, Chuck's22, Captain Ted, signing out.
To Easton, right?
We
Oh,
used to.
Clarence.
When we were in New Albany, we lived like 10 minutes away. Yeah, it's next to New Albany.
Everything is 15 minutes away, though.
I know, that's what
It's
everyone
a big
says.
circle.
I know, that's literally what everyone says.
This is a one big circle. Delaware is nice.
Delaware is nice.
Hey, hey.
Yeah, it's just far
Everyone
from
good,
us.
sir?
We're looking at some houses
Yes,
over
sir,
there.
most
So
Taking it in,
it's
Jeff?
like too far from everything. 35 to 40 minutes just from where we were, and then so it would have been like an hour to like short north and stuff.
The short north is from Delaware?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it is, it is.
Yeah.
The floating bar too, but these are beautiful beaches here.
Guys, Chuck22 coming at you from the Caribbean Sea in the Bahamas. So, here's the deal. We just left Turtle Island. Before that, we went to Pig Island. And apparently this is Peacock Island. So I just hopped off the boat. Limit staying on over there if you can see it. But that's what's going on. And zoom in on these guys. Yeah, they're waiting for me, so I should probably hurry up. Actually, I'm swimming. I gotta walk, so we're gonna walk. All right, Chuck22 coming at you. Here it all is. Woo! All right, man. We're on Peacock Island right now, looking for peacocks. But I just want to take this in. Our Buckeyes friend is leading the way, hoping to find some peacocks. But yeah, got some sharp rocks right there. Whew. Look at that. But this is pretty cool stuff, man. Yeah, safari. Well, I better catch up.
Yeah.
They're looking at something.
Okay.
Oh, look.
That might just be a huge stingray. I don't know what they're looking at.
So we found the peacocks.
Right in front of their
I'm probably walking through some peacock deuce right now, but I want to get this guy on the film.
Don't make it, man. So someone used to live here?
Yeah.
That's funny.
There's our
They got
friend.
money.
Yeah.
That's right. You're gonna live here, you're gonna have money.
That's
But then the
funny,
place
it's cool that
falls
somebody
apart.
actually used to live here.
So we found an old abandoned house, by the way. We trumped through the jungle, I guess we'll call it that. And
Live here?
we found this
Got a couple mil?
abandoned house. Here's our crew over here.
Oh, there's another one over there.
We've got another peacock calling us.
Calling them?
And this peacock's leaving us. He's had enough. This guy's had enough.
We're gonna follow this one.
Let's follow. Whew, someone's partying in here. So this is like an old abandoned house.
I know, it looks like.
That might be worthy of a vlog itself. But try not to step in some deuce. And there's our boy right there. Yeah.
I want to see that. There's a peacock in the house.
No, he's on the other side.
Oh, I thought he was in the house.
Thought they were, yeah, I bet they go in the house too.
They do. They probably do.
So this guy right here, I don't want to get too close to him because I mean I don't know if they're cool or not. No, he's trying to figure something out. But there he is. That's why I call this Peacock Island. You know, I'm gonna tell you what. I also might call it Abandoned House Island too. What's going on there? Yeah. Oh man, look at that. You gotta show you the abandoned house. Yeah. And he gone. He just finally figured out the steps and he gone. All right. So let's might as well show you this bay area. Might as well show you the bay area since we're here. This is where we're at, man. Bahamas. Yeah. Finding all kinds of cool places. And now that peacock's yelling, probably tell me to get off his porch. So, yeah.
So, honestly,
Well, there he is. He came back, so probably not too crazy about me.
I'm not gonna
But
walk
he's
that
worth.
way.
Yeah.
Oh, he's right there. Yeah.
Is he friendly, or you think
I wouldn't mess with
think we're pissing him off?
him. We might.
It might be corner here. Yeah, because there's some more. And I've done it too.
Okay. So we just walked all the way down here, so I figure I better get this on film.
We gotta go.
All right, are we heading back to the boat now?
Yeah.
Okay, we got. So gonna go all the way up those steps, and that's gonna be fun. Gotta tell you, Chuck's 22 is not much for the barefoot walking, but we're making it happen. All right, one last look at this jazz. It's looking pretty good. And there it is. Now time to go up here. Fun, fun, fun in the sun right here now. I'm telling you, I gotta walk up this stuff in my bare feet. Here we go. Up the steps. Of course, the young folks are way ahead of me, but that's okay. But would not be doing justice if I did not get this on the tape. No, I would not. And might as well stop taking them for a minute. That's where we're coming from. And there you go. And up the stairs. And everyone's waiting on the old guy here. All right. So what do you guys think?
We need to go.
We need to go. Uh-oh. We in trouble?
We need food.
Oh, well, that means we're in trouble.
Yeah, right.
All right.
She gets hungry.
It's about to get hangry.
I know how the one is. Yeah.
So shutting off, gonna find Nina some food. And the food is that way. Through the jungle, baby, through the jungle. Going through the jungle to get Nina some food. Yeah. All right, one last shoot of this. Just got off that stone passway, so all good. I know they're waiting on me, but this is a beautiful spot. So I had to share it. We got a little peacock action, but now we're on the way back to the boat. But first, man, I wanted to share this spot with you. Holy moly, this is beautiful. Okay. Just showing you some views as I'm walking down here. And there it all is. All right. Okay, coming back to the boat. Figure why everyone's loading up. Might as well get this on film again. 23-foot Wellcraft, Yamaha outboard. Can't go wrong with that. And there's everyone. They're getting on there pretty quickly, so I'm gonna power this off and get on myself. Showing you here. We're about to hop off. I want to show you this floating bar. There it is. Alright, you guys, just 22 up here at the floating bar. You can only boat here, man. You can only boat here. You can dock. You can hop on the little floaty raft. But man, once you come here, you got some food and drink. So definitely worth checking out. Got the bar behind me over there. Gonna spend some time there. I just want to share this place with you before we get started. At the floating bar. I think they call it the Sands, I don't know, but at the floating bar. Definitely a place worth checking out. Some boats. Oh yeah. So, gonna get my food and drink. Out.